Celebrate your every winning moment. It is a must, my dear friends, because if you celebrate your every winning moment, so you will figure out that there are a lot of winning moments coming your way. But this will only happen if you start celebrating the winning moment from your side. Winning moment can be anything. Suppose that you have made a goal today that I will study 20 minutes today, and if you are able to do it without any distraction, isn't it a really very big moment for you of winning? Yes, it is, right? It is perfectly. Yes, you should be in a mode of yes answer in this kind of thing if you are able to do that, and if you make this type of goal and if you are able to complete that, so it is a winning moment, my dear friends. And just like that, a lot of the examples you can create by yourselves. But before all that to happen, for all that to happen, you will have to make goals and you will have to complete that. Because many of the times, most of the times, what will happen or what happens in humans' life is that people make goals but they are unable to complete that. People are unable to accomplish that goal. And this is the reason why people feel so much depressed about themselves. They feel that no, oh God, I am good for nothing. Nothing is being hampered by me. Will I be able to do something in my life or not? Will I be even able to do something great in my life or not? Will Am I good enough or not? These kind of questions start coming in their minds. This is a really very wrong thought process. You are good for everything. The thing which you need to do is that you need to be just consistent in your life, because it is, I can easily see that this is a lacking thing in most of the people's lives. That is the term consistency. People don't have consistency. People are not constant upon their works, and this is the reason why people are not achieving the thing that they want to achieve in their lives. And this is not the only thing. Their thought process is also getting changed just by this. They are getting distracted day by day. But if you want to stop these kind of things happening around you or with yourself, the thing which you need to do is that keep on thinking about your goals. That why, and your one more thing which I would like to share with you is that please think about why. Whatever you do in your life, irrespective of whatever do in your life, just say this thing to yourself, or just ask a simple question to yourself that why did you start doing this thing, and believe me, you will get amazing answers. And that amazing answer will not only give you a satisfactory answer, but also will motivate you to do something new in your life. Start innovating things in your life and start celebrating the winning moment of your life. And this can amazingly change your life. This can amazingly change your thought process, and many more things can start happening in your life. Thank you so much, everybody, to listen to me. My name is Amit Kumar, as you know me. Thank you so much.